them on the board.
Okay, so just watch. So if I had 2 times 3 divided by 3, what is that? Now just listen. So we talked about this already. So 2 times 3 is 6 over 3. 6 over 3. You can divide the bump below by 3, wouldn't you? You get 2 over 1, or just 2 over 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Right, another one down here. If I had 3 by 5 divided by 5, 3 5s are 15 divided by 5, and the answer is 3. Right, can you see a better or a quicker way of doing it? Yeah, what is it? Yeah, 3 divided by 3 is 1, okay? So what's 2 times 1?
2.
That's a 1 there, right? What's 2 times 1?
2.
2. 3 multiplied by 1 is?
3.
Because 5 divided by 5 is 1, isn't it? 3 times 1 is? 3. So what they say in maths is I'm cancelling, but cancelling actually means it becomes 1. Alright? So 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. Right, here's another. It would look a little bit more complicated, but it's not. What's 2 times 3 times 5 divided by 3 times 5? But the answer straight away is 2, isn't it? Because 3 divided by 3 is 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1, 2 by 1 by 1. Still 2, isn't it?
It's easy.
Yeah, it is easy.
Is that right for everyone? Can you do
It
it
is.
in a complicated one?
Alright, so now we're getting a bit more complicated right now. So, so again, well, this is called simplifying, first of all. And
2 and 5.
so basically what can we divide? Slightly different. What can we?
7.
It's 7. So 7 into 14
Two.
goes?
Yeah.
7, 2 over 5. Alright. That's called simplifying. That's not alright. Oh, we'll move on. What's 7x over 14? So what we can actually do is that's 7 times x, isn't it?
X over 2.
Well, what we can write it like this. We can bring the 7 and the 14 out, and we can put the x there. And what's 7 over 14 equal to?
Half.
T.
Half x.
1.
Okay?
We can put X over 2.
Okay, or you can write it as, because the x is on top. See, the x is always on top? X is the same as x over 1. But we can just write it as x. Yeah? Or it could be x over 2 as well. Is that okay? Alright, the next one. If we had 8p squared over 2p. So we just separate it out first. We do the numbers first. 8 divided by 2.
4.
Now, p squared divided by p.
P3.
How do you actually do this? Alright.
1 by 2.
So what you do is you subtract. 2 minus 1 is
1.
1. P to the power 1 is just p, isn't it?
Yeah.
What would it be if that was 3 and that was 1? That would be 2. What would it be if that was 5? That would be
P4.
4. Okay? So you subtract the powers in that case. And we'll have a look at another one. So the best way when you write them down is to make sure that numbers are above each other, the x's are above each other, and the y's are above each other. 3, x, y. Right, so first of all, 9 divided by 3.
3.
Alright, x squared divided by x to the power of 1 is x to the power 1, or just x, isn't it? And then the y. 1 minus 1 is
0.
y to the power 0. It's actually 1, so, but you don't write it down. There's no y's. So it's 3x. Okay, so they're the easier ones. Now we'll go on to question 2. Stop writing. Look up.
After this, can we do them on the board?
Question 1. Yeah. So watch. 4x plus 4y over 4. So watch this. What does that mean?
8xy.
You need to look up, you need to watch. It actually means, first of all, we'll look at this bit. Because 4x is above 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so what happens if 4 divided by 4?
1.
There's 1, and what's left?
X.
1x, isn't it? Plus. So 1x. Plus is the sign, write that. 4y.
X plus y is 1.
Yeah, 4 divided by 4 is
Plus y.
1.
Y.
Y. That's the answer. Or just
X.
x plus y. Right, here's another way you can look at it. The same sum. So we'll start, so sum was over 4. So watch. I can write it like this as well. I can put this bit over 4 and this bit over 4. It's the same thing as what I just wrote. And the same answer. 4 divided by 4 is 1x plus 1y, which is x plus y. Is that easy?
Yeah.
Okay. And the next one. Those two. Question 2, part II. 12. A plus B. 3. A plus B. Right, this is easier than it seems.
4.
Look at the numbers first. Yeah. 4. And if I have, let's say if I had a star on top of a star, what's a star divided by a star?
Star. 1 star.
1.
2 stars.
1. What is 2 divided by 2? 1. What is a million divided by a million?
Million.
So what's a plus b divided by a plus b?
A plus B.
A and B.
No. If you divide something by itself, you always get no.
1.
If you divide something by itself, you get 1. So it's 1. But what's 4 times 1?
4.
4 times 1 is
4.
4.
That's the answer.
Yeah. Right. Similar question. If I just change this to a plus z over a plus z, I get the same answer, don't I? 12 divided by 3 is 4. A plus z divided by a plus z is
1.
1.
And that's 4 and 1.
4 times 1 is 4. Keep looking up. This is the place you need to be looking. Question 2, part 3. Right, so we have 3x plus 12. Now we have to do an extra bit of work here. Right. Now we actually have to, looking back at the previous exercises we did, will you look up? See this 3x plus 12? We actually need to just factorize that. So we'll take the top and we'll do a bit of rough work over here. Alright, so 3x plus 12, brackets. What number divides into 3 and 12?
3.
3. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times
3 is 4.
4 is 12. Alright, so this is the factors. So I'm going to replace this with, see that?
That's the answer for that.
No, hold on. Alright. I think that's what we had. Yeah, that's the sum. Alright. So now, what's x plus 4 divided by x plus 4? These two? 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we left with? We're left with 3 over x.
3x.
No, 3 over x times 1 is just 3 over x. Right, the next one. Part. Is that okay? Part 4. 4a minus 8b over 3, no writing, thanks, look up, a plus 2b. So we do the same, we need to factorize the top bit. So we'll do it on a piece of rough work. So 4a plus minus 8b. Alright, and we need to, what divides into 4 and 8?
Two.
Bigger number?
4.
4 times what is 4a? A
A.
minus
2B.
2b. 4 bracket a minus 2b. 4 bracket a minus 2b over 3 bracket a minus 2b. So that becomes 1, doesn't it? And what's left? 4 over 3 times 1 is still 4 over 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Right, I'm just going to stop that video and